In today's video, I'm going to teach you quickly add rows and columns. If you need to make room in your spreadsheet fast, this is one of the simplest Excel skills to learn. Adding rows and columns helps you keep your data organized, whether you're inserting a missing name, creating space for a new category, or adjusting a table as your information grows. To begin, highlight the row or column where you want the new space to appear. This part is important because Excel inserts based on the position of your selection. If you're working with rows, the new row will be added above the row you highlight. If you're working with columns, the new column will be added to the left of the column you select. So before you click anything else, take a second to make sure you've selected the correct location. Once you've highlighted the row or column, right-click your selection. This opens a shortcut menu with several common actions, and it's a quick way to access the Insert option without going through the top toolbar. If you're using a trackpad or a mouse with different settings, just use whatever method opens the right-click menu on your device. From that menu, select Insert. As soon as you do, Excel will add a new blank row or column in the correct place, based on what you selected. If you chose a row, the new row appears above it. If you chose a column, the new one appears to the left. This makes it easy to shift your existing data without having to cut, paste, or manually rearrange anything. A useful tip here is to pause and confirm the placement after inserting, especially if you're editing a larger spreadsheet. It only takes a second, and it can help you avoid formatting issues or data ending up in the wrong section. If your sheet includes formulas, tables, or color formatting, Excel will often carry some of that structure along automatically, which can save you time. This is a quick technique, but it's one you'll probably use often. Once you get comfortable with it, updating spreadsheets becomes much smoother and less frustrating. Thanks for watching.